they're off. Smooth start. Western Smoke is going out for the lead. 3 Arch Bay Mafia. Show Business in between them is up close in the early going too. Get on Your Pulpit is one from the inside. Next, Revolt with the white blinkers just inside of him. Then it's Speaker of the House, followed by Question Authority. The 2 trailers are Just a Command and Bam Bam Again at the back. They're covered by 7 lengths coming to the half-mile pole. And Next Revolt moves up on the inside of Western Smoke, who has the lead. Get on Your Pulpit, Show Business close up too. Down at the rails, Speaker of the House, Question Authority, 3 Arch Bay Mafia about 5 wide, but only 3 off the pace. Another 3 to Bam Bam Again and Just a Command. They pass the 3/8 pole, and it's Western Smoke, the leader by a length and a half. Next Revolt, 3 Arch Bay Mafia is in third. Then Speaker of the House on the inside taking fourth. Question Authority, Bam Bam Again moving up outside of that pair, followed by Get on Your Pulpit, Show Business, Just a Command far back there at the top of the lane. And Next Revolt is up to challenge for the lead, and he takes it with a furlong left to go. Opening up a length and a half on Western Smoke, 3 Arch Bay Mafia, Bam Bam Again trying to drift in. Speaker of the House is next. It's all Next Revolt, giving Flavien Prat a triple, a convincing 4-length victory. Western Smoke was second. Third went to 3 Arch Bay Mafia. It's very tight for fourth between Speaker of the House and Bam Bam Again.